Hello and good morning, my dear students. You all are welcome to this video and subject session of subject mathematics. So students, today we are going to learn one of the new topic on the workbook, page number 66. So students, are you ready to learn this new topic of today's subject, which is in the chapter number 11 of the mathematics? So let us start the topic with the question number 2. So the topic of the question says, look at the following figures and write the length and boundary of each of the figure. So students, the topic, let me explain you the topic. What we have to do in this topic is that we have to look at the following figures. On this page of 66, I have been given some of the figures. So what I have to do is I have to write the length and boundary of each of the following figure. So यहाँ पे जो भी हमें फिगर्स दी हुई है स्टूडेंट्स, उन सब की हमें लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री लिखनी है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेंथ यू आर वेल अवेयर अबाउट दिस. बेसिकली लेंथ इज अ पर्टिकुलर फिगर वी हैव बीन गिवन. एक पर्टिकुलर फिगर जब हमें दी हुई होती है, वो चाहे कोई भी होनी चाहिए. दिस इज द रेक्टेंगल व्हाट आई हैव ड्रॉन. ओके, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ लेंथ. हम लेंथ किसे बोलते हैं? सो वेन एवर आई हैव बीन गिवन एनी ऑफ द फिगर, and in that the figure comprises of the various sides. These are comprises of the various side. This is rectangle, this is the first side, this is the second side, this is third side, and this is the fourth side. So in rectangle I have been given 4 sides. I can write it as the side. In another words, I can term the side as length also. मैं ऐसे length भी बोल सकता हूँ. This is my first length, this is second length, this is third length, this is fourth length. So any of the figures which have been given on this page are having 4 number of the lengths. And length you are clarified. Now what is meaning of the boundary of each figure? So boundary basically means the sides of the figure. Basically this rectangle is having the 4 sides. So what I can call, this entire rectangle is made up of the sides, and whatever I am highlighting this, मैं इसे जब highlight कर रहा हूं, ये मेरी boundary बन जाएगी. This is the boundary of the figure. This is the boundary of the rectangle. Now what I have been given here is that I have to write the length of the boundary. Length of the boundary means whatever the figures are given here, what I have to do, I have to first of all write the length. इन सब की मुझे लेंथ लिखनी है, एंड लेंथ के बाद में उन सब का एडिशन करके यानी कि लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री लिखनी है. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव बीन गिवन द वर्ड लेंथ, लेंथ बेसिकली मींस दिस वन. इन सबको हम लेंथ कहेंगे. एंड बाउंड्री का मीनिंग ये होगा, बाउंड्री एंड लेंथ इज नॉट डिफरेंट. ये दोनों अलग अलग नहीं है, पर बाउंड्री यानी कि जो फिगर की कोई बॉर्डर होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये करना है इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. सबसे फर्स्ट आपको ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट से लेकर ए नंबर का जो फिगर हमें दिया हुआ है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर अवेयर अबाउट दिस कि ये रेक्टेंगल दिया हुआ है, और रेक्टेंगल के अंदर ऑलवेज ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती है, और ऑपोजिट साइड्स जब इक्वल होती है तो उन सबको इसको हम लेंथ कहेंगे, इसको हम ब्रेड्थ कहेंगे. दिस इज लेंथ एंड दिस इज बी. सो यहां पर जो दिया हुआ है 50 मीटर मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय 15 मीटर, तो ऑलवेज लेंथ हमारा रेक्टेंगल के अंदर बड़ा होता है. सो बिगर इज दिस वन, सो एल इज 50 मीटर. इफ दिस इज 50 मीटर, दिस ऑल्सो शुड बी 50 मीटर, बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड है ये, इसकी ऑपोजिट साइड ये है, एंड रेक्टेंगल के अंदर ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. And now 15 meter, so always breadth is small, so 15 meter is the breadth. This one is the breadth of the rectangle. So what I have to do students here, I only have to add this 4 figures. ये जो 4 figures मुझे दी हुई है 50, 15, 50 and 15, and whatever the answer will come, I will write in this box. So let us start the sum. What I will do here is that I will add the figures. 50 meter plus 15 meter plus 50 meter. The length is very, box में बहुत ही कम जगह है, तो write in small handwriting students, and 15 meter. Now what I will do, I will add this first 2 and then I will add this second 2. So 50 plus 15 is 65 meter, and this is also the same. 50 plus 15 is 65 meter. Now 65 plus 65, the answer comes is 130 meter. So the length of boundary of figure A is 130 meter. At last you will make the box. This is your final answer. Now let us do the another sum, B. So students, I have been given here 21 meter by 21 meter. Now this figure seems to be a square, because in square all the sides are equal. So 21 meter means these all four sides are equal. This is 21, this is 21, this is 21, and this is 21 meter. So students, what you have to do, you have to add 21 meter 4 times. 21 meter plus 21 meter plus 21 meter plus 21 meter. And when you are adding this, students, 21 plus 21 is 42 meter plus 21 plus 21 is 42 meter. So 42 plus 42 is 84 meter. So what is the answer of this second one? Figure B is 84 meter, students. Why 84 meter has came the answer? Because all the four sides of this figure are equal, and this is the square figure. This one was the rectangle figure, that's why this was length and this was the breadth, and I have done the addition for all the four sides. Let us do the C numbered sum, in which what I have been given here 80 meter 22 meter. In the previous sum I told you this is the length, and length is always bigger in rectangle. So whatever the bigger figure is there, that one is the length, and whatever the smaller figure is there, that one is the breadth. So B 22 meter, B 22 meter, B means breadth, students. I am writing it in short because less space is given here, and L seems to be 80 meter because this is 80 meter, so that should be the 80 meter. These are the opposite sides. Now let us write this all the figures in the box. 80 meter plus 22 meter plus 80 meter plus 22 meter. So 80 plus 22 is 102 meter plus 80 plus 2 is 102 meter, and 102 and 102 is 204 meter, students. I am doing it orally here, students, but what you will do when you are doing the addition, don't copy from here. Take a rough sheet of the paper and add it like this: 80, 22, 80 and 22. You all know addition because you have learnt in the previous classes. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 0 is 0. 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18, and 18 plus 2 is 20. Like this you will add in the rough sheet. Okay, students. Let us do the last sum. This is the D numbered sum. In D, what I have to do here, students? Now in this figure, students, this is the breadth, because ये वाले जो figure है, ये sleeping figure है, इसे हमने stand कर दिया like this. इसे हमने इस तरह से stand कर दिया. Now I should not call this as length, क्योंकि ये smaller part है, और इसे जब हमने stand कर दिया तो this is the B of the figure, that is 2 meter, and it is but natural, students. Whatever the smaller part is, that smaller one goes for that one. So this is 2, B is equals to 2, L is equals to 80 meter, and L is equals to 80 meter. Now students, very simple here, just do the addition for 80 meter plus 2 meter plus 80 meter plus 2 meter. 80 plus 2 is 82 meter, 80 plus 2 is 82 meter. So 82 plus 82 meter is 164 meter, should be your answer for the teeth number. Now students, in the next sum what we have to do is here, the difference between boundary of C and D is dash meter. Total area of figure C is dash square kilometers. So students, let us do this column first. यहाँ पर ये दिया हुआ है कि C और D के अंदर जो हमने बाउंड्री का टोटल फाइंड किया, जैसे कि C का है 204 मीटर एंड D का यहाँ पर जो दिया हुआ है इट इज 164 मीटर वी हैव फाउंड आउट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, डिफरेंस का मीनिंग होता है कि हम सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं, यानी कि इन दोनों के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है. सो 204 ऑब्वियसली माइनस 164 करेंगे, एंड व्हाइल आई विल डू इट इन द रफ शीट द आंसर विल कम एज 40 मीटर. सो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बाउंड्री ऑफ C and D is 40 meter. This is your final answer. Make sure to do it in the rough sheet like this: 204 minus 164. 4 minus 4 is 0. This will become 10 and this will become 1. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 40 meter is your final answer. Next what you have to do is here, total area of figure C is, figure C का total area कितना है? अब स्टूडेंट्स ये तो जो हमने फाइंड किया ये तो हमने बाउंड्री फाइंड किया, क्योंकि ये रेक्टेंगल है सो टोटल एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए हम L इंटू बी करेंगे. व्हाट इज L गिवन हियर इन फिगर C इज 80 मीटर इंटू B इज गिवन हियर 22 मीटर. So take a rough sheet for this and do the multiplication for 80 meter into 22 meter. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16. Multiplication sign, 2 zeros are 0 and 8 2s are 16. So 0671. 1760 meter square is your answer. So students, for today's video we have done the question number 2 of the book. Thank you for watching the video, students. Have a nice day to all.